morning walk in Canada. It's a little different, isn't it? You hear the squeaking of the snow. Well, the snowplow's not going to pull up at the lights. We'll go for a little icy swim. Wow. Billy, high five. High five. Good girl. What's going on here? What's going on with the horsey, miss?
Billy, the horse has some stunnings on? What's that?
Oh, these people here just walking on this trail. Some deer. I've just gone straight into some soft powder. Road trip. Bit of a loop. Wow. Bit of Canmore. Pretty city. Little town. Have you?
Billy.
Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, look at all those houses over there.
Steamboat on Rhode Island, 103 kilometers. Continue straight. That's pretty cool. Second Bowl Hotel.
What's it called? The Elk River.
Yeah.
Nets. All the rocks.
Oh, sheep.
Oh wow, yeah, look at this. Cut through the Ferny Alpine Resort.
Turn left onto Timberline Crescent. School light. Fit you go all the way up. Wow, look at them there. Sun's trying to come out. Something's happened in Calgary with the water supplies. One of the roads has been destroyed.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh yeah, Jake, can you put that on the floor? It's a bit heavy. Put it on that one. Does that mean anyone's up there?
Yeah, but you must have to.
You're a lion? Crazy. Maybe we should get someone some coffee.
I got some. What? Spinning the wheels?
Yeah.
It's just a pretty street.
Oh.
That mountain. This is what it's like skiing through Banff though, when you go on. Frank Slide.
Yeah, can I put that right up the top there?
Wow.
And look over there, it still goes.
Yeah, it's all right.
Look over there.
There's a town under there.
Wow.
And over here.
Oh yeah, and here. So they've just pushed this track through here.
It just
Okay.
goes.
Oh my god. Wow. So that whole mountain came down. Wow. Well, there's still houses down there.
Pretty serious face.
Where are we out of? Diamond what?
Diamond Valley.
Diamond Valley. Like Diamond Denture Clinic. So that's a grader cleaning the snow off the side of the road. Wow.
Miles. There's always something you forget. Oh, look, there's some more. These are some pretty houses.
200 by hundreds is temporary props.